Math 7, lesson 11.7. This is volume of prisms. The volume of a three-dimensional figure is the amount of space it contains. The volume is measured in cubic units. So think cubes. You're measuring how many cubes will fit inside of a prism, because it is three-dimensional. To find the volume of a prism, you want to do the following. First, you want to identify the shape of the base. Is it a triangle, a square, a rectangle? Then you want to find the area of the base. And then after you do that, you're going to multiply the base area by the height. So for example, in the triangular prism we have right here, this is our base shape, and it's a triangle. So that's the base. We're going to find the area of the base, and then we're going to multiply it by the height. So it's as if this triangular prism, you want to stand it up on its side, its triangular side, making this the base. So let's take a look at how we would do that. So first of all, we want to find the area of the triangular base. So that is area equals half base times height. Area equals half. The base of our triangle is right here. So that's going to be an 8. And then the height of the triangle is right here, and that is also 8. So half of 8 is 4 times 8. So the area of the triangular base is going to be 32 centimeters squared. And now all we have to do to find the volume is multiply that by the height, which is right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's move this up. And so we have 32, which is the area of the base, times the height of the prism, which is 30. And that's going to be 960 centimeters cubed. So these, actually, let me show you this way. Erase this. Our 32 centimeters were squared, and then we're going to multiply it by 30 more centimeters, and that's where we get the cube from. Okay, now we're going to find the volume of the following rectangular prisms. So our formula for volume, again, is length times width times height. So our length, volume is, our length is 8, our width is 5.5, and our height is 2. So the volume of a rectangular prism with those dimensions is going to be 88 feet cubed. Okay, let's go down to number 3. Find the volume of the following triangular prism. So the triangular base, so volume equals half base times height. That's our triangular base. And then we're going to multiply that by how high it is, how tall it is, its height. So it says that the triangular base is half 7. The triangular height is 6. And these together, this is going to be the area of the base triangle. And we're going to measure that by the height of the prism, and that's going to be 10. So we have volume equals 21 times 10. Volume equals 210. Let's see, our units are in inches cubed. Okay, let's do number 5. Number 5 is find the height of the prism if they give you other dimensions. So volume equals length times width times height. And let's see, they give us the volume, which is 33. And they give us the length, which is 5.5. They give us the width, which is 3. What they don't give us is the height, so that's what we're solving for. So we have 33 equals 5.5 times 3 is 16.5. We're going to multiply that by the height. Divide both sides by 16.5 in order to get the height by itself. And we get our answer is the height equals 2 feet.